Hello guys, this is Mike from McProgramming.org, and I am happy and excited to explain to y'all what classes and objects are in C++. And this is going to be quite a few videos to explain how a class is set up and how to instantiate an object. But this first video is just going to be a preview to what we're trying to accomplish by having classes and objects. Alright, so as you know from before, we can create a variable and store some type of data in that variable. But what if we want to have a bunch of different type of data fields together to represent one thing? Such as in real life we have something called a car, okay? They're objects. And each car can have its own color, a make, a model, a year, and thousands of other features, okay? And the car also has things that it does, and we can call these functions. You can turn a car on, you can press the gas, you can paint a car, you can do endless things, okay? So what a class is, it's a construct that enables us to group together all these data fields and all these functions together so we can create a car object, and using this class right here as a blueprint, we can create new individual objects that take on its own individual values. Okay, so you can have a car that's red, have a Toyota Avalon 2008. Okay, and then once you create that object, you can do functions on it. You can paint it another color, you can press the gas. There's endless options to what you can do inside this class. So the class itself doesn't have much functionality, so it needs an object to act on and give the data to it. So this is pretty much just a skeleton of what the object is, and it sets that blueprint to create the object. And that comes in really handy to be able to have big pieces of information with all types of data that represent it, and that's what an object is. So just remember that the class is like the blueprint that shows what the object can hold and what it can do, and then the object is made from the class, and it has its own individual data fields and is stored in memory. So there you go, and in the next tutorial I'm going to code up a very simple class, and I guess I'm going to continue with the car example because the car example will also serve a really good purpose when we get to inheritance and polymorphism and other object-oriented concepts like that. So I hope this made a little bit of sense, and if it didn't, please watch the next video on classes and it should make a little bit more sense. And if that didn't make sense, then creating objects will make sense hopefully to y'all. And if it doesn't, just ask me questions, please. And please subscribe below, and if you have friends that are interested, let them know. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good one.